Ways that Urban Retreat isn't your typical direct sales company. Part 1. Number one reason it's so different is because it wasn't created to be direct sales. So back in 2009, Acti Labs was created as a small family business making really high-end quality cosmetics for other brands. So this is called white labeling. It's really common in the skincare industry where one company that owns a laboratory and owns all these great recipes makes these products, but the other company that actually does the selling of it puts their name on it and it becomes theirs. So cut to a few years later and the economy is in the toilet. The euro is still really strong, but companies from outside of Europe are having a really hard time buying product from them. So in an effort to make sure that all of their employees were still able to keep their jobs and they wouldn't have to do layoffs, Acti Labs decided, let's just sell our own stuff. After reviewing all the different ways that you can get your product into the end consumer's hands, direct sales ended up being the best option because they were operating in so many different countries around Europe. So Acti Labs, which is now Urban Retreat, is first and foremost a manufacturer of really high quality, excellent products that just happens to use direct sales to get it out to as many places and as many countries as possible. Stay tuned for part 2. Ways that Urban Retreat isn't your typical direct sales company. Part 2. There's absolutely zero cost associated with joining Urban Retreat either as an affiliate or as a consultant. No sign-up fee, no website fee, no monthly fee, no yearly fee, and no minimum requirements for sales. Because really, why should you have to pay anything to represent a brand? That doesn't make sense. Stay tuned for part 3. Why Urban Retreat isn't your typical direct sales company. Part 3. Urban Retreat manufactures all of their products themselves in their laboratories in France. That means for you is you're not paying any middleman in between the actual manufacturers and yourself. Urban Retreat also manufactures for other skincare companies. They know that if you bought this quality product from anyone else, you'd be paying about 3 times the price. So stay tuned for part 4.